At Argus, we bring creative, efficient, and cost-effective solutions to solve our clients' most complex infrastructure problems. Let's take a closer look at some of the people behind the name.
Working at Argus is honestly one of the coolest environments that I've worked in because everybody really is so close. We're able to come together and have fun and actually have a support system both in the office and outside of the office, which is really unique. Employee ownership is huge. I think it really makes it to where you have more of an invested approach to the things you're doing. It really helps bring the team together, but it also just makes it to where you're just a little bit more invested because you see how the work you're doing impacts everybody else and you're part of that ownership. So the size of Argus has been really convenient because I've been able to step into roles that I really didn't think that I would have the chance to at other opportunities. And I don't think that would have been possible in a company that was much larger because we're really able to kind of step in and work on training some of our younger interns. And we do a lot of hands-on training with all of our new hires as well, where you get the chance to get out on the field, get out on the apron, and walk around the planes. And as a young engineer, that's just not something that you get the opportunity to do elsewhere. And I don't think at a larger company, I would have really had the opportunity to be able to do that, which has been really awesome. I think the biggest thing that surprised me since coming here is just how close of a team we are. I've really met some of my closest friends while working here, and they're not just professional mentors, but personal mentors to help us grow both professionally and personally. And I know that I have a really solid support team, and that makes a big difference in what it feels like to come to work every day.